I remember the day I met Norm Quantz at a Canadian Counselling and Psychotherapy Association meeting. His charm attracted me and his calm, engaging way of speaking. I thought, no wonder a lot of Alberta couples go to him for relationship repair. Norm has written the book, it's all about power and control, why relationships fall apart, and what it takes to put them back together again. If you are questioning whether you are under the thumb of your partner, meaning you do not have equal power and control over your home, your family, your finances, your time, your decision-making, I highly recommend you take a look at Norm's book. Here, I provide a summary. And by the way, Norm was happy with my summary. Here's a favorite quotation of mine from Norm's book. We are fundamentally, at our core, wired to want to have healthy relationships. Yes, coupleships are a couple. They are a pair. We're a pair together. We're a partnership. And if that's not true for your relationship, do get a copy of It's All About Power and Control. You won't be disappointed.